And there are really three things that I recommend that coaches, consultants, small business owners, speakers and authors do in order to monetize and promote their products and services. One is through what is a traditional funnel, a marketing funnel. In other words, there's a landing page. You put the link to the landing page in your, again, channel art, calls to action or description. And that funnel, that landing page is going to offer a free gift where people opt in, and in exchange you get their email. You nurture that email, and then you follow up with those people over the course of time. It's a pretty traditional marketing funnel. The second way is to put a link, again, in the YouTube channel art, calls to action, or in the description of your videos, where people apply to work with you, right? So they have to go through a quick questionnaire or application process, and from there you get to choose what you do with that application, and you follow through in your sales cycle from that point. But that is a place where you can, that is a thing that you can promote to your products and services. And the third place is, or the third thing is purchasing a call with you. It can be very direct. It can be, hey, here's a link to book time. It costs X number of dollars to consult with me for 30 minutes or an hour or 45 minutes or whatever it is. Here's the link. I like to use Calendly for that. Calendly has the ability to, you can set it up through Stripe, where people can look into your calendar on your booking link, pay you directly for your time, and then off you go. You get paid, they book on your calendar, and it's really very simple.